Oh, boys and girls, here we are. Day 16 of our February daily math. We got a couple different parts to this problem here. We're going to start with the number 727, and we are going to subtract 315. So we start over here, 727, and subtract 315. 7 minus 5 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, and 7 minus 3 is 4. So 412. Now we're going to subtract 340. 2 minus 0 is 2, 1 minus 3, more on the floor, got to borrow from next door. 11 minus 4 is 6 and 1 is 7. 3 minus 3 is nothing, so 72. And then it says divide by 8. So 72 divided by 8 equals 9. Very good. Nice work. Okay, here we have 4 flags, and it looks like it says 849, 894, 809, 890. Order these numbers from greatest to least. So they're all in the 800s, so now we're going to have to look at the tens column of each of these. This one has a 4, this one has a 9, a 0, and a 9. So now we have to take the 2 with 9s and go all the way to the 1s column. And I see 894 is a little bigger than 890. Okay, so now we've used this one and this one. Now we go to this number or this number. We have 849 versus 09. So 849 would go next. And 809. There we are. All right, number 4. We got a box of chocolates. Tracy sorted her chocolates into 3 groups: chewy, salty, and fruity. How many more chocolates were chewy than fruity? All right, so I see here that, oh, we're missing some numbers on the bottom. So let's see, we have 1, 4, no, 2, 2, 4. Yeah, it's counting by 2s. You see that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So this line right here looks like it lines up with 14. So we had 14 chewy. Okay. Fruity. Fruity is 6. So 14 minus 6, 4 and 4 is 8. So how many more chocolates were chewy? 8 chocolates. Nice job. All right. Sorry, make a better S for you. There we go. Number 5, 3 hearts are white. 1, 2, 3. 1 heart is pink. And 4 hearts are purple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What fraction of the hearts is pink? My dog's making so much noise. She's chomping on a bone over there. Oh, now she moved to the carpet. It'll get a little bit quieter. So first, let's figure out how many total hearts do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have a total of 8 hearts, correct? Okay, and we want to know what fraction of the hearts is pink. Well, we have 1 heart is pink, so 1 out of 8 total hearts. So 1/8 of the hearts are pink. Great job. Don't forget to put your score in there. You could even write it down as a fraction. You could put it down as however many you got correct. Say you got 3. 3 out of 5 correct. All right, we will see you tomorrow there, Fraction Masters.